Hi, I'm Em, and today I'm going to show you another updo you can do for business professionals, military, and or law enforcement. It plays off the last video, so the French braided updo. This is the hair on the second day when you take it out of the braids and it's sort of crimped. So it's a curly bun. It's almost like you have curly hair. So here's what it looks like from the sides, and then the back. It doesn't really have a definitive part. It's just kind of windswept over your head, and I just think it's really flirty and cute and fun and makes me feel girly. So hope you enjoy. So right now I'm wearing the same hairstyle from my last video, the braided updo, and I put my hair up damp from the shower and then I slept on it, so now it's dry, and now I'm going to use the crimped hair from the braids to do a cool new updo. So you don't have to have had your hair in that braided updo, any braid will do, but I think it's a good 2-day hairstyle. So I took all the bobby pins out of my hair, and now I'm going to take my hair out of the braids. So as I'm taking my hair out of the braids, you can see it gets really pretty and crimped. And if you don't need to wear your hair up, this is a pretty cute hairstyle. You know, you could, do something cute with some clips here, or there's a bunch of different options. But now your hair is kind of fun and curly. So I don't like the middle part. I don't ever wear my hair in the middle part unless it's going back. So you could, if the middle part works for you, you could just bring your hair back like that and do a ponytail. But I like to just kind of mess it up, and it gives it more volume. And then you're going to take your ponytail and you're going to put your hair back into just a loose ponytail, but you want it kind of low so that if you are military or law enforcement and you need to wear a hat, it'll not interfere with the hat. Next, you're going to need a ton of bobby pins, and you're gonna make a bun. So for this hairstyle, I like to do sort of a messy bun, but not a really messy bun, because it still has to like be where flyaways aren't everywhere and everything. So I like to separate chunks and deal with chunks individually. And you just kind of go with what you feel like, where you feel it should go. And you pin each chunk to your ponytail. So I kind of pin each strip of hair once in the middle and let the end kind of dangle, and then we're going to do the ends later. So then just take your bobby pins and tuck the remaining ends in. And you can use a mini mirror to check. And again, you're going to want to keep your bobby pins as close to your scalp as possible. So put them honestly right under your ponytail. And you've got sort of that pretty, flirty, messy look. So this hairstyle is not good for days when it's like super windy or rainy outside, because it's going to get kind of ruined. It's not good for days when you're going to talk to your boss's boss or someone really important. It's just good for days when you are tired of wearing your hair completely slicked back and you want it to be something kind of fun and different. So no hairstyle will be complete without hairspray. The trick with hairspray in this hairstyle is you're not going to use a lot. You're going to hold it far from your head and kind of just let the mist take it over. So now you're going to take your fingers individually and just kind of lightly brush your hair with the grain, so don't be pulling your hair ways it wasn't already going, and kind of smooth down those flyaways, or the frizz. Again, protect your eye if you're coming close to the front of your face. And there may be some big flyaways that hairspray's not going to cut it and you just have to use bobby pins. Okay, now hairspraying the bun. This is extra tricky. You don't want to just press the frizz into the bun, you want to try and group it together with the other hair. And then you'll probably have some hairs at the base of your neck where you want to bobby pin those down. Again, you're going to want to do an X with your bobby pins. And that should be good, so there you go. And carry bobby pins in your pocket because you'll probably have to go into the bathroom at some point during the day and fix any hair that has fallen out. But I mean, what else is new? You kind of got to do that every day.